Hello, it's Crafty Ria and welcome to another video. I'm so glad you are joining me today. I have an Lbeads unboxing for you today. I'm part of their YouTube program where every so often I get to choose $35 worth of goods from their website, and I make 3 videos for them. I do an unboxing and then I do 2 project share videos or project tutorial videos. This is the unboxing for this order. So I will set this aside. It came packed in a whole bunch of bubble wrap and really great packaging. So I unpacked it so it would just be a little quicker on the video. The first thing I picked out was this pack of 10 tapes in these beautiful colors. They are a shimmery, like a mermaid type look. And there are 10 rolls of it, and it is kind of like a plastic tape more so than a washi tape, but it is very pretty and very shimmery. I cannot wait to use these on a project. That would be great for spring and summer projects. And while we're in the spring and summer mood, we have these beautiful butterflies. These are wooden butterflies. They're buttons, and they come in an assortment of colors. There are 50 of them in this pack. We have a dark pink and a light pink, red, green, blue, orange, and I think there's a yellow. And a green. So we have quite an assortment of spring colors. They're bright and cheerful. They have 2 holes, for a traditional button. They have some etching on them, and then the back is plain wood in case you wanted to turn them over and use them as a plain wood piece. And then I got some other wooden charms. There are 50 of these as well, and these are white snowflakes. They are very thin, so they do not have a high profile. They'd be great on cards. I thought they would look really nice with a piece of bling in the center and have them on some winter and Christmas cards, especially some recycled Christmas cards. And there are 50 in this pack, so that is very nice. They're a good size too. And then there's this little pack of wooden Christmas embellishments. We have some of these snowflakes. I think there's 2 of each in here. There are 3 of the Christmas trees. And these are wooden shapes, and they all have a hole in them. These are the little reindeer, and you can see the little hole up at the top, so they could be used as charms. These are snowflakes, and then there's 1 of those hearts. These could be painted or glittered or just left the way they are. And then I chose some die cuts. We have these circle die cuts. They're like a lacy scallop. They would be great for recycling Christmas cards to cut out the main image. And then this small set, or this set of small circles, we have the candy cane, snowflake, the tree, the bells, holly, and then an ornament. I thought these would make great embellishments for Christmas cards. As you know, if you watch my channel, I do Christmas cards all year round, And one of my favorite things to do is recycle Christmas cards. So I shopped with that in mind. And then I chose this set of Bling because, you know, Bling is my favorite embellishment. And it has, this Bling, I believe, are on strings of adhesive, so when you pull one up, the whole string comes up. If you've watched my videos, you've probably seen me use this type of Bling a lot. We have two different shades of pink. We have black, and I don't have black in this size, so that is awesome. And my favorite color, purple. And this is a very bright green. I don't think I have anything in that exact shade of green. Then we have red and blue. Then we have the little ones. I bet they're in the same colors. The two shades of pink and the black, the purple, the green, the blue, and the red. And along with this set also came these two packages of glittery foam stickers. These are stars in all sorts of colors and sizes. And these are hearts in all sorts of colors and sizes. And they are stickers, so they should be adhesive on the back. And then we have a package of this beautiful floral trim. I've received something very similar to this in Happy Mail recently, but I went ahead and ordered this in February, so it was before the Happy Mail came. But we have this nice assortment of not butterflies, of flowers in all sorts of colors, and it comes together in a string. These measure about 1 inch wide, each flower. And as you can see, there's a whole lot of this trim here, and it's starting to fall off the cardboard. But there's a whole bunch. I'll be able to make a lot of projects with this. I'm very excited about that. I love the colors. It's so pretty. That is my Lbeads haul. The entire haul was $35, and that included shipping. So I think I got a lot of goodies for $35. Your money goes a long way over at Lbeads. And to make it even better, I will link my coupon code below. It will save you an additional 3% off of your order. I will put links to all of these items below. They are my affiliate links, so I do earn a little bit of a commission if you use those to purchase. Please head on over there and check out what they have. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. They have a great variety of wonderful things. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do click that subscribe button down in the corner. And while you're there, just go ahead and click on the bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. I will be uploading 2 more videos using some of these goodies. So if you're excited about that and you'd like to see what I do with some of this stuff, you will want to stay tuned for those. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate each and every one of you. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.